will now be recorded.
And Tamil, right? Let me open VS Code. Okay. We started JavaScript yesterday, and we are working with inline JavaScript, internal JavaScript, and external JavaScript, all the things. And we got to know that how the preferences of the JavaScript, and what is the DOM architecture, how the DOM is working, document object model, where the window is available, where the browser is available, where the document is available. All the things we already done so far. Just give me 1 second. This is another session. Open folder, desktop and web and JavaScript. Right. Come to JavaScript nodes, and we are working on four things. JS predefined functions like alert boxes and prompt boxes and console.log method and document.write method. So what are the different kind of methods and what is the importance of these methods? We will see now one by one. First we go with alert box, how this alert box is going to be working. Let me take a new program, save it as, and this is about alert.html. Okay, right. Same alert. Come to the body. Inside the body, directly I'm writing the script. Inside the body, I'm writing the script. Script. Okay, JavaScript. What kind of JavaScript it is, guys? What kind of JavaScript it is?
Internal.
Exactly. This is the internal JS. So comments should be like this. HTML comments should be like this. Okay, so one more important point I want to tell you here. The note point, please remember this note point. JavaScript is case sensitive. JavaScript is case sensitive. What is the meaning of case sensitive? What is the meaning of case sensitive? Small a is small, capital A is capital. These are the two different variables. Okay, so you cannot write alert box like this. If you write alert box like this, you will be getting the issue. You will be getting the error. So alert, hi, welcome. When I say alert like this, it will not execute for you. Okay, open the live server. I'm opening the browser. I cannot able to see any output. Browser is coming, sir, but alert is not working. What is the problem? How to find out the problem? Very simple. In JavaScript, problems will find inside the inspector. Go to the inspect. Go to the console. You have the issue. Uncaught reference error. Alert is not defined. Go to the error part, and somewhere red color mark is actually showing for you. In 11th line, I got the issue like when you hover on this mouse, hover on this. What is that? Uncaught reference error. Alert is not defined. So please solve that. So a small letter. A function JavaScript to predefined function. Alert is JavaScript to predefined function. Remember it. Alert is JavaScript predefined function using for giving alerts per user. Okay, how to write alert box? You can write alert box in two different ways. You can write with a single code, or you can write with a double code also. It is not Python. There is no triple single quote. There is no triple double quotes. Only with the single quotes and double quotes, I can write alert box. So I am writing one alert with single quote. I am writing one more alert with double quotes. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Okay, so first alert, second alert, two alert boxes are there. JavaScript is interpreted programming, not compiled programming. I will tell you the differences between the interpretation and compilation later. But now execute this program. You will be finding two alert boxes. The first alert box is what? Hi, welcome. Second alert box is what? Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Two alert boxes automatically come. Okay, in the first alert, I'm not doing the issue. In the second alert, I'm having the issue. In first alert, I'm not having any issue. But second alert, I'm doing the issue. Capital A, I'm taking. How many alerts you can able to see? First alert is working. Hi, welcome is coming. Then stopped. If it is the compiled based programming language, if you found any error in your complete program will not compile. Program will not compile. It will give you the compile errors. For example, Java people know that. .NET people know that. C++ people know that. If you have any issue, for example, you are writing 100 lines of the code. If you got any issue with the 50th line or 51st line something, the total program will not work out. But JavaScript and Python not like that. In JavaScript, previous lines program is okay. Previous lines the program is correct. Alert is okay. Then that is working. The next line, wherever the issue you got found, there it is not going forward. And the third line is also good. Third line also good. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Okay. So when I am writing like this, I have three lines of the code here. First line of the code is correct code. Second line I got the issue. Third line is Happy Diwali. Okay. When I execute this, only hi welcome will come. Happy Diwali code is correct, but Happy Diwali code also not come. Why? Because of you have the issue here. So execute it. Hi welcome only come. That's all. Stopped. Program stopped. Program stopped by error. So we can able to work with the error handling in JavaScript. Later I will tell you how to handle this error kind of things and how to continue the flow and execute the remaining correct lines of the code. That we can see later. 1 second, guys. Just give me 1 second. Right now, yeah. So let's see the browser. I got the issue. Hi, welcome came, but remaining program is not working. Just go to the inspector. Inspector, you have the problem with the alert in the line. So the third line is 17th line actually correct, sir. But 17th line also not coming. Why? Because of 16th line we got the error. From there program will not go forward. From there program will not go forward. Automatically stop. So we can able to solve these kind of situations with the error handling concept. Later we will discuss about it. Right now you just try to resolve the problem and execute the complete program. And alert. Three alerts are there. Okay, fine. One by one automatically all alerts are coming right now. This is the way of writing alert boxes. Okay, for example, there is a number. Let me take the number x where x is equal to. There is a where x is equal to 10, 10, and where y is equal to 20, and where z is equal to x plus y. And what my requirement is. So please stop these alerts. Now I want to show the alert. First number is alert. First number is then comma x, then second number is second alert. Okay, second number. Alert second number is y, and then finally summation is alert. Uh, Summation is, in this way you can show the alert boxes, no issues with that. Summation is that. Execute it now. Open in the browser. Browser is already executing. Okay, first number is, oh, that is a problem. We have to concatenate it. We have to concatenate it. It is a number, na? It is not Python programming. If it is Python program, you just give the comma and automatically it will give the output. Okay, first number is then plus. Second number is then plus. Final number is then plus. Concatenate the things. Okay. Now first number is 10, second number is 20, and summation is 30. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear? First number is 10, second number is 20, and final number is, first number is 10, second number is 20, and summation is 30. So in this way, you can write the program with alert boxes. The next important method is a prompt method. What is the use of the prompt? How we can able to use the prompt method in JavaScript. Okay, let me take new program and save it as prompt.html. Okay, let's have the prompt message here. Prompt. Okay, so let's have the script now. Okay, prompt. So whenever you are writing some kind of prompt, you need to store into the variable where first number is equal to prompt of enter first number. Enter first number. And again, I'm writing the prompt here. And first of all, what is prompt? Okay, prompt is taking input from user. So I'm the user, and program is asking me, please enter something. And prompt value need to store into a variable. Prompt value into a variable compulsory needed. In that variable, I need to store the value. Then you can do the operations whatever you want. Now first number I got entered. Now second number I need to enter, where second number is equal to, where second number or last number is equal to enter last number. Okay, sorry, last number or second number, what do you want? Yeah, enter last number. Final number, summation, where sum is equal to fnum plus lnum. Then finally print of I want to see the summation. How to see the summation, guys? Summation is plus sum. Is it fine? Can I execute the program? If I execute the program, it will ask me what is the first number you want to enter. Just enter the first number 10, enter the last number 20. Enter the first number 10. Okay, enter the second number 20. Okay, and finally I cannot able to, oh my god, I got an issue. I am writing Python. Sorry, guys.
Alert sum, right?
See, I'm actually
Alert
teaching
sum you have to give, no?
in the morning. I'm taking the Python classes. That is the reason. Still
So
Python.
does in alert.
Still Python is remembering. Okay. So alert summation is sum. Okay, fine. I want to show the alert. Just alert. Okay. Let me see the program now one more time. First number 10, second number 20, and finally summation is what?
Continuation, sir.
Summation is 10, 20. What is happening?
concatenation is happening.
Concatenation is happening. So
That's what.
what I
Yeah.
want to do then, there is one more important method we need to understand here. Type conversion needed. Type conversion needed. So later we will discuss about the type conversion. Right now I'm just writing something. Okay, parse int into the integer, and this one also I need to integer. I want to convert into the integer. That's all. That's all. That's all. Now you can see and execute. First number 10, second number 20, and finally output is summation is 10 only now. What is the issue? Let me do parse int here.
You no, sir. You have given 10 and 0, so it is given 10.
10 and 0. Nah, that is the issue.
And 2 was not pressed.
Okay, okay. First number 10. My keyboard is not working good, sir. Okay, and 30 I'm giving.
Yeah,
No,
no,
now it is working. Now it is working fine. Summation is 40.
yeah.
Summation is 40. This is what actually the prompt messages, prompt boxes. Even prompt also working from window. So you can write the prompt in two ways. You can write prompt in two ways. So prompt with single quotes you can give, and sorry, prompt prompt with the double quotes also you can give. Single quotes and double quotes both will work out. Okay, so I want to give the first number and first name and last name. Can I go with the first name and last name? Concept is same. Okay, where first name is equal to input of directly. There is no parse here. There is no type conversion here. Directly string and string. It will work out. Enter first name. Enter first name. Then where last name L name is equal to input of
Sir, it's prompt, no, sir.
still I am writing Python. Prompt. Okay. Prompt. Python is not arising from my mind, sir. Problem is prompt. Okay. Enter last number. Okay. Then finally, where full name is equal to first name plus, this is simply concatenation, plus a space I want to take, then plus last name. Take the last name. Then finally, I want to show the full name. Alert. Full name is comma full name. This is just like that.
Plus
Okay.
means
Enter the first
plus
name. Enter the last name.
alert
Okay.
plus, right?
Uh,
Comma will not work.
we'll see. We'll see. Comma
Yeah,
will work or not.
let's
Okay. Let's see. Let's see the output. Okay. First name Mohansh. Last name Technologies. Okay. Not working. It is not Python. It is JavaScript. You have to give the
yeah.
concatenation. It is concatenation. Okay.
Yes.
Now again execute it. Again execute it. First name is Mohansh. Last name is Technologies. And finally, full name is Mohansh Technologies. That's what actually the thing is. That's what actually the thing is. Okay. So here you can do a different kind of calculations. Calculator also you can do. This is a one more program. This is number calculation, and this is one more thing. And product price. See, something like product price, product discount, and all. Where product price? The product price is something like 56,000. Okay, I'm just taking the input. Int of, okay, parse int of, prompt of, enter product price, enter product price. Okay, after that, where product discount is equal to, again, parse int of, prompt of, enter discount value, enter discount amount, and final price, where final price. How to calculate final price, sir? Product price minus product discount. And finally, alert box. This alert box is coming like a final price of the product. final price of the product. Final price of the product is then plus final price. Am I right? Any mistakes I'm doing? First of all, product
Prompt
price.
prompt will take only string, no sir. You have written only.
I'm converting into the integer. Percent.
Okay, yeah, we can
Let's
go.
try, sir.
Prompt will take only string data. Okay, that note point I have to write here. Okay, sorry. Prompt will take input as string. Any data you give, it will take as a string. Okay, now let me execute this same program. Execute it, refresh, enter first name. What is first name? Okay, these prompts I stopped already.
No, you have to save, no sir.
Okay, save and refresh it.
No, it's okay.
Okay, enter product price. Product price 34,000. Product discount to 2,300. And your final price of the product is 31,700 rupees. This is correct value. This is correct value. So in this way, you can able to work with the prompts. Okay. So if you want, you can give the percentages. You can calculate the percentages. Okay. So let me copy this and stop the program. Percentage values. For example, enter product price. Enter product discount percentage. Discount percentage. Enter discounted percentage. Enter discounted percent. And after that discounted value, I need to calculate product discount value. Discount value, how to calculate the discounted value? Simply product price into product discounted percentage divided by 100. And final price of the product is product price minus product discounted value, not percentage. Then final price you can able to calculate easily. Execute again. Execute again. Getting understand what I'm writing here?
Yes, yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Execute it. Enter product price something like 34,000. Enter discounted percentage. Discounted percentage, he is going to be giving 17% discount to Diwali festival. Okay. And finally, final price of the product you are getting like 28,220 rupees that you need to pay. Am I clear, guys? So
Yes.
discounted percentage I am giving here, and percentage I need to convert it as converting into the value, and final price you can able to see. Now you can try to work out with the GST added. GST value add GST as percentage and GST value as a value, something like. So one more thing I want to give product GST in percentage. So they have some GST also. Product GST percentage, enter GST percentage, and GST value also I need to calculate. So please calculate the GST value also. Where product GST value, this time it is GST value. I need to calculate the GST value, not GST value. How to calculate the GST value? Based on the percentage. Product price into product GST percentage divided by 100. Now final price of the product is product price minus discounted value plus GST value. Am I clear? So you got some discount and you added some GST. You got some discount percentage and you got some GST add percentage. Final price of the product is something like simply superb. Now you will be getting like okay, enter, execute it. Product price, okay, product price, you are purchasing a very big TV for the Diwali. That product price is 12,000 1,23,450 rupees. That is the MRP. And for this MRP, they got a discounted price, something like a 22% discount they are providing, and they are adding GST. Oh my God, what is happening? Not saved, huh?
Hmm.
Okay, refresh it. Okay, refresh it. Product price 1,23,450 rupees. That is the product price. And discounted percentage is 22% discount they are giving. And GST percentage they added like 7% GST they got added. And final price of the product is 1 lakh
5,000.
4,000 1,04,932 rupees and 50 paisa. That is what your final price of the product after the GST, after the discount, all the values calculation. This is what actually the prompt is. You can work with the prompt. The same prompt in Python input, same prompt message, same prompt in Python input, and type conversions in Python also very simple comparing to the JavaScript. But both are simple. If you understand the concept, both are simple. Python is simple, JavaScript is simple. Both are simple. Come to the one more thing. These alerts and prompts, everybody got understand? Any confusion so far? Govind Babu, Mahesh, Prakash, Rohit, Sindhu, Tamal. Any confusion so far?
Yes,
No,
sir.
Yeah, please,
It
Prakash. Prakash
no,
is
sir.
asking something.
No confusions.
No confusions. Right. I go for one more thing. Console.log. Very, very important message.
The only doubt is like that we can do parsing in the same line only, right, sir?
Mm-hmm.
While taking the
Anywhere
input
you can do.
only, we are doing the parsing.
There only directly you can do the parse.
Okay, because in the previous example you have done in the below lines, so just
Anywhere you can do. Before calculation. Before calculation, anywhere you can do.
okay.
Okay. In the starting point you can do, or before the calculation you have to do. Why? Because based on the parsed value only calculation is going to be happening, right? So
Yes.
that is the why reason. That is the why reason. Before the calculation, you have to parse it. Now let me go console.log HTML and
Sir,
having.
if you give any string values,
Hmm,
can we try on for one time?
it will not. It will not work out.
I mean, it won't convert into integer.
I already told you, na. Conversion is possible only for the numerical strings. Conversion is possible only for the numerical strings. It is something like this kind of strings. Conversion is possible. Okay, that can convert into the integer. This can convert into the float, but this cannot convert into the integer or float. This Mohansh is not able to convert integer or float. Even this one also. Any alphabets you can find. Any alphabets you can find, it will not convert.
Okay, okay.
Any alphabet, any alphabet is available in the string, it will not convert. Only numerical strings, only digit contained strings only can convert. Remember it.
It is the same for all the programming languages or some programming
Any
language.
any programming language, even you go for Python, even you go for Java, even you go for .NET, come for JavaScript, come for the Go language. Anywhere you go, concept is same. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Now console.log. What is this console.log is? Okay, I will write down the steps here. In the body, I'm writing the script. Okay, in script, console.log. Mm, console.log is Python predefined, sorry, JavaScript predefined function. JavaScript predefined function using for print console message. Console message. Okay, how to work out? Console.log. Console.log. Hello Mohansh. Console.log. Console.log. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Okay, right. I have two things here. I have two functions here. Console.log, hello Mohansh. Console.log, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Execute the program. Right click on this. Open in the live server. You will be having the output consoles. Where console output you can able to see. Where console outputs you can able to see. I already told you. Where the console window available?
In the
Integer.
inspector. In the
Engine,
inspect.
browser engine. Yeah, you go to the inspector, browser back, not front. See, this is the browser. This white color is the browser. This is the browser front, sir. But browser back is something. Browser back is something like console. Right click on this, go to the inspector. You will be finding the console window here. In the console window, I have something like hello Mohansh, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Inside console, you can do practice JavaScript. See, I can do practice JavaScript. I can do practice 2 plus 3. And I have some console.log here. Again, I want to print some message. Hi. Okay. A is equal to 10. B is equal to 20. C is equal to A plus B. I can do practice JavaScript. Huh? Then C. I can do practice JavaScript here in console window. And console is not only for printing the console messages. Console is basically required for error findings. In the previous alert program, we found some error. When we found some error, console window only showing the errors. Console is not only for printing console messages. Console is basically using for tracking your program where you find the errors. For example, you are loading the data from the JSON, sir. Your JSON data is loading or not, you can see in the console message. Your browser is accepting the data or not. Your browser received the data or not. Whatever you want. In JavaScript, console is the soul. For web development, JavaScript is the soul. For JavaScript, console is the soul. What is the meaning of soul? Don't ask me, huh? What is the meaning of soul, guys? What is the
It's
meaning
like
of
a heart. It's like a heart.
heart is soul? Huh? Heart is not soul. Heart is a particle in the body.
Life.
Life.
It is something like life. Every particle is running on soul only. Okay, right. Come to the point. Okay, so JavaScript is the soul of the web development, and console is the soul of the JavaScript. Why? Because whenever you are finding the errors, whenever you are getting the issues, all these things we can able to manage by the console only, according to the JavaScript. According to the JavaScript, I'm not talking about the HTML and CSS. HTML CSS error means, if HTML error means the display will not come. If CSS error means color will not apply, style will not apply. That is not a issue. But in JavaScript, if you find any error, only console is listening all the errors, and console is actually tracking your application, where you are doing the mistakes, where you are going with the flow, and how the data is receiving from the servers, how the data is pushing to the servers. All these functions I can able to handle by the console messages only. Remember, console is a very important point of the JavaScript. Am I clear, guys? If I am writing one more message, something like a console.log, um, um, happy Diwali. Okay, this happy Diwali I am keeping between this hello Mohansh and welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Okay, so here I am doing a simple mistake. What is the mistake I am doing? By seeing these 3 lines, you can able to understand what is the mistake I am doing. I am doing a simple syntax mistake. What is the syntax mistake I am doing? C capital letter. C capital
Right.
letter I am giving. C capital letter I am giving. When I am giving the C capital letter, hello Mohansh is okay. Hello Mohansh is printing. But I cannot able to see welcome to Mohansh Technologies because of this Diwali. Because of this error. Okay, so just go to the console again and uncaught type reference error. Somewhere you got the error in Diwali line, uncaught reference error. Oh my God! Here in the 13th line, I'm doing the mistake. Just to solve the mistake, go to the editor and solve the mistake, and come again. Come again. The next line is correct line. Next line is stopped because of this error. That you need to solve by consoles. You see the console and you rectify the errors and go with the flow. See the console, check with errors, go with the flow. Hello Mohansh is there, happy Diwali is there, welcome to Mohansh Technologies is there. That is the major criteria of the console window. The major part of the console window. The major importance of the console window. You have to practice more and more with the consoles. do some mistakes and check with the errors, solve the errors and check with the console. Everything you can go with the consoles. I am telling like console is soul of the browser. Console is behind of the browser. It is not, it is not front. You cannot able to see when you execute the program. When you execute the browser, you cannot able to see anything. Whenever you are going for inspector, then only you can see the console option. Inspector, how to see the inspector? Right click on the browser. See, everything is having some flow now. When you
So,
right click on the browser, you will be finding inspector. When you click on the inspector, then you can find out the console. Now there is a
so
one more
console is for finding out the logs, no, sir. Actually, the
yes,
essence
yes,
is,
that is the what actually I'm telling.
yeah, yeah. Then
Finding logs means error logs or program logs, whatever it may be.
in real time, do we write any lines of program in on console as well, or only we use for?
Console, console in console, for example, you are receiving the data from the API. Okay, I want to check what kind of data I am receiving. So I am keeping the API response into the data variable. Okay, so I am using this data variable only in my complete program. I will display the data variable. I am picking the data or parsing the data from the data variable only into my user interface. In as a developer, what you have to do is whenever you're receiving the data from the JSON and whenever you are receiving the data from the API, first of all, you show the data in the console. When you keep the data in the console, your console is displaying a bigger amount of the data. It means okay, my JSON is coming. Server side, there is no issue. I have to do the program now. That is the way you can able to understand the console. For example, you are writing a few functions, sir. You are writing 10 functions. I want to check it out whether this function is working or not. In the console, I want to track, okay, function 1 is executing, function 1 completed, function 2 completed, function 3 completed, function 4 completed or executed. In the way you can able to understand the flow of the programming by the console windows. Why? Because console is listening your JavaScript, na? Console is tracking your JavaScript. That is the why reason inside the JavaScript in the functions or in the program flow, you keep console writings. A real developer, a real developer keep logs in the part of development. But whenever this program is going to production, before going to production, remove all the consoles.
Okay.
Getting my point? In the case of development, you are in the program in the develop mode. There are two modes. One is the development mode, one is the production mode. When the program in the developer mode, you have to keep the consoles and track your program and clear one by one, step by step, all the issues, executions, all the things you have to clear from your side. But whenever the program is ready, everything is fine. Before giving to the production, you need to clear all the consoles. That is the production file, production code.
Okay.
In production code, don't use any consoles. That is the one more important point.
Yeah, that's what my doubts are. Like
You
in
you
the
keep
real
you
world,
keep
do we
you keep
use?
you keep thousands of consoles in the part of development. But before giving to the production, don't keep the consoles. Right?
It is for our reference whether it is working correct or not at the development
Yes,
side,
yes. That
and
is
once
for
it is
your that is your comfortable. Basically, that is a developer comfortability. You need to solve the issues and you need to understand the flow. You need to track your program.
The
That is
purpose
very
is
simple.
console. We have only testing purpose which we have to use, right?
Yes, only testing purpose. Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
That is the important thing. Okay, with
Thank
with using with using console, development is fast, sir. Without using consoles, where the problem getting, I don't understand, and it is big headache actually. But when you are
Okay.
using the consoles, you can able to easily track where I'm getting the issue and where I need to solve the issue, how I can able to solve the issue. Then, if you find the issue, you can able to solve. If you are not able to find the issue, how you can solve? For solution,
Okay.
I can search, I can do the R&D, I can do the research, I can do whatever it may be. But
The
if
issue
I
finding purpose we have to use console, right?
exactly the same thing, issue finding purpose or program
Okay.
tracking
Okay.
purpose, whatever it may be.
Okay. Okay.
The one more important method I need to complete, document dot write. Okay, document.write. Console is working behind, document.write is working on top. Okay, I will show. Document. What is a document, sir? Anybody?
Body.
Body. Right. Now I am keeping program name document.write. Now let's write the script. I am writing document.write. Document.write. Understand? Document.write is using for, this is a predefined JavaScript function, is a predefined JS function using for session is recording or not? I don't understand. Yes, recording. Fine. So document.write is a predefined function using for printing outputs on document, or writing. Let me go like write content on document. Okay, or create a dynamic HTML. This is also very important method. Create a dynamic HTML on body. Dynamic HTML means what? Don't use HTML tag. Don't write any HTML content. But from JavaScript, you need to create the HTML. Dynamic. This is called dynamic JavaScript. How to write a dynamic JavaScript using by the document.write. Okay, document.write. Document.write.
Dynamic HTML or dynamic JavaScript, sir?
Dynamic HTML. Okay. Document.write. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. I just want to write something like welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Okay, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. This is what actually I want to write on top of the document. Top of the document, not behind of the document. Behind of the document is console.log. Top of the document is document.write. What is there? Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. I'm not writing any HTML. I'm just writing the script only. Am I writing any HTML here?
No.
In the body? No HTML. No HTML. Only text I am writing. I can able to print some content on top of the document. Okay, I want to write a one more document. Document.write. Write ln means new line will come. I think so. Okay, write ln. Happy Diwali something. Happy Diwali. Okay. So there is no semicolons in JavaScript. Remember, semicolons no needed. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali coming in the same line. Okay. Here also I keep like ln. Write ln. ln is not working, sir. In JavaScript, document.write only. Okay. But I need to keep the break, na? How to keep the break? I don't want to write the HTML code for the break. I can go with JavaScript to create the break tag. To create the break tag, I'm writing JavaScript only. To create the break tag, I'm using JavaScript only. Okay. 1 second, sir. 1 second. I'm getting call.
Uh, Here
Yes, yes.
break tag doesn't work, sir.
Yeah,
Here,
break.
even if you write in general normal
Working.
break tag,
You are not writing any HTML, sir. When you are writing HTML, then break tag will work. I'm not
okay,
writing any HTML. Na?
only on the header it will
I'm
work.
writing only script.
Okay.
No. I'm writing only script here. See, in the body, am I writing any HTML content?
No. Okay.
No.
But we have the HTML content. We have the HTML content kind of BR by JavaScript. Okay, Happy Diwali. I want to keep in the H1. I want to keep in the H1. Yes, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. I want to keep in the H1. Happy Diwali is the bigger one. Getting understood?
Sir, what is dynamic HTML?
This is dynamic HTML. By JavaScript, you are writing some HTML. That is a dynamic HTML. It means after loading the body, you are creating some content. After loading the body, through the JavaScript, you are creating HTML. That is the dynamic HTML. Through the JavaScript.
Which means we are not using tags, no sir. Directly it is printing.
We are using tags, but we are using tags in JavaScript, not in HTML. We are writing HTML only. This is HTML or not? H1 Happy
Yeah.
Diwali.
Yeah.
But that HTML I am using inside the document.write. Document.write is a JavaScript function.
Yes.
Inside the JavaScript function, I am inserting the HTML. I am creating the HTML by the JavaScript. Okay, I want to take a line here. I want to take a line here. Can I draw a line? Can I draw a line? How to draw the line? HR, na? HR. Yeah, I can do. Okay, I want to keep some list items. How to create a list items here? Sir, I want to create some unordered list. Okay, so Diwali gifts I want to write here. Document.write. Let me create a document.write. I want to keep the unordered list. How to create unordered list? Anybody?
UL.
Ordered list OL, unordered list UL. UL and open UL, close UL. Sorry, keyboard is worst. Okay. Slowly I'm writing. Okay, UL open, UL close. Then inside this plus list items. List items. The first list item. LI. What is the first list item here? Okay, I just want to give some sweets. What do you want? What do you want for Diwali gift? Sweet and
Crackers.
beer. Sweet and beer.
Crackers.
Crackers. Okay. Crackers. What is the spelling for crackers? This one,
No problem. Anything's fine. CRACKERS.
CKERS. Okay. Crackers. Okay. Then one more Diwali gift you want? You can take one more Diwali gift.
Diya. Lights.
Clothes.
Clothes.
Okay. That's it. Let me close it. Okay. So can you see this? I want to show a list of unordered list now. Can I see unordered list now? Sweets, crackers, clothes. Am I clear, guys? This is the way of writing document.write method. Document.write method is document front method. Console.log is browser behind. This is browser front. Console.log is browser behind. Try to understand and try to do a number of examples practice on document.write. Sir, nobody is going to be telling this kind of explanation in YouTube channels. So you can watch any YouTube channel. You can watch any Udemy videos. Any videos you can watch. Document.write and console.log, nobody is going to be explaining in this way. That is a
Sir,
strategy of
can we combine
what is the
document.write and console.log in one program and see like how we are using? I mean, can we add one line to this?
we can add it, no issues. What is the problem? Console.log. Happy Diwali. Let me say Happy Diwali. Okay. Document.write outputs are on top of the document. Okay. But console.log, you will be having another output. Huh? Happy Diwali. This is console output. This is the document output. Both are working.
So, sir, basically console is for backend and document is for frontend.
Okay, you think like that. Okay, fine. Console is behind of the browser. I say console is behind of the, not backend, not front end. Front end means that is the different. Backend means the technology is different. But I can say this is the browser front, this is the browser back. This is the browser front, this is the browser back. Imagine like that. Okay, so that is what for today's session. And we have the session again Monday. There is no session for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, holiday. Take holidays Sundays. And please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Any queries and
Yeah,
questions so far?
yes, I have one question. What is the difference between order list and unordered list?
Order list is something like 1, 2, 3s are coming. Unordered list is dots come.
Okay, okay, thank you.
You check previous videos, HTML videos in YouTube channel.
Okay,
Anybody joined
okay.
new today? Please go through the Mohansh Technologies YouTube channel. There you can able to find out a lot of videos. And please do comments for the videos, guys. Please do comments for the
Sir, I
videos.
didn't find the yesterday's video on YouTube.
There, you didn't find. What is that? Free UI 14. My God, what is there? I already uploaded, no? Oh my God, some numbers are mistaking here. 11, 11. Okay, I will check it out. What is the problem? This one, I think yesterday's class, this one, huh?
No, sir, that was for the previous,
Let
the
me
I
let me
mean
let
the
me check
previous
the
videos.
date. Wait, let me check the date. This is the 10, this is the 11, this is the 12. Maybe the number mistake. Okay. And what is the date today? 18. October 17. October 17 video is not there.
Hmm.
1 second. Maybe that there in the UI. Okay, I'll check it out where the video is. Okay, I resolve this issue. I already
All
uploaded.
videos are there except the yesterday's.
No, I will check it out. I will check it out. It was uploaded, but it may go with some other folder. I will check it out. I will resolve the issue.
Okay.
Okay, go through the YouTube channel and watch the videos. Please provide your comments and all. And happy Diwali, happy weekend. Have a good day.
Yes,
Happy
sir.
See you
Diwali.
signing off. Yeah,
Same
see
to
you
you,
Yes,
sir.
signing
happy
off.
Diwali.
See you signing off.
Thank you.